In this video we will go over how to make an app password in iCloud. An app password is a password that can be used in one app only. This is often used to add an iCloud account to apps that only support passwords. Such apps include older versions of Outlook and some other email programs. To start, open any web browser and navigate to iCloud.com. Click the menu icon in the upper right, then click Manage Apple ID. Click App-Specific Passwords. Two-step will need to be enabled. In this example it is already enabled. You can enable it in Account Security. Click the plus icon. Type in a name for the app. In this example we'll use Outlook. Confirm your password. You can then take this password and copy-paste it into any program where the account password would normally go.